If you're considering RealPage for property management, there are 12 key things you need to know before buying. With so many property management software options out there, it can be tough to decide. So stick with me as I walk you through what makes RealPage stand out and where it might fall short when compared to other tools. The first thing you'll notice is RealPage's impressive range of features. It covers everything from accounting and budgeting to marketing and leasing. Unlike some competitors, RealPage integrates these features into one unified platform, making it a strong choice for larger property managers with complex needs. But if you're just starting out or manage a smaller portfolio, you might find that these features are overkill. Next thing you should know is that RealPage is cloud-based, meaning you can access your property data from anywhere. This makes it incredibly convenient for teams spread out across multiple locations. However, if you're dealing with unreliable internet connections or a lack of tech-savvy staff, this could present some challenges compared to other systems that offer offline capabilities. The third thing to consider is its pricing structure. RealPage doesn't disclose exact pricing up front, which can make it difficult to estimate your costs until you've already committed. This lack of transparency is a downside when compared to competitors like AppFolio, which offers clear pricing tiers right from the start. Moving on, RealPage offers excellent accounting tools. This feature allows you to track rent payments, late fees, and financial statements seamlessly. But if you're someone who prefers a more hands-on approach to financials, RealPage's accounting might feel a bit restrictive. Some alternatives offer more customization and flexibility in this area. The fifth thing to keep in mind is its scalability. RealPage can handle everything from a few units to thousands. It's ideal for larger property managers or owners with growing portfolios. On the flip side, this might be a bit overwhelming if you only manage a small number of units. You might find simpler software options more user-friendly and cost-effective. The sixth thing to consider is RealPage's user interface. It's packed with features, but some users have found it to be cluttered and unintuitive. While competitors like Buildium and Rentec Direct have cleaner, more straightforward interfaces, RealPage's depth of tools might require a steeper learning curve. Next up, RealPage excels in marketing and leasing features. From website integration to tenant portals and lease signing, it's all built into the platform. While other property management software might offer third-party integrations for these features, RealPage has them in-house, which is convenient. However, the downside is that these features aren't always as customizable as those offered by competitors. The eighth thing is the level of customer support. RealPage offers solid support through multiple channels like phone, email, and chat, but it can be slow at times, especially during peak hours. Some users have reported waiting longer for responses compared to competitors like Rentec Direct, which is known for quick, personalized support. Another thing to know is its integration capabilities. RealPage supports integrations with other software systems, including accounting platforms and CRM tools. This is a big advantage if you're already using other software. However, the integration process can sometimes be complicated, especially when compared to other property management tools that are designed with more straightforward integrations. Next, let's talk about mobile accessibility. RealPage has a mobile app for on-the-go management, but some users have reported that the app isn't as robust as the web version. For property managers who rely heavily on mobile, alternatives like AppFolio offer a more complete mobile experience. The 10th thing to consider is RealPage's reporting capabilities. It has a wide range of reporting options, which can help you gain insights into your properties. While it's comprehensive, the reports might be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're looking for something more user-friendly. Competitors like Buildium provide simpler, more digestible reports for users who don't need to dig too deep into data. The 11th thing is RealPage's reputation. It's a well-established player in the market, and many large-scale property managers rely on it. However, it's not without its issues. There are mixed reviews about its customer service and the complexity of its features. Some competitors, like AppFolio, have more consistent positive feedback from users. Finally, while RealPage is a solid choice for large property managers and those needing an all-in-one solution, it might not be the best fit if you're a small business or have basic needs. Alternatives like Buildium or Rentec Direct